Hi Anita, we are live now.
Hi,
Welcome.
Ranjani. Thank you. How are you?
And I'm good, and it's such a pleasure to have you. And you are the first architect on my show.
How are you? Okay, that's great.
I'm good, and yeah. So Anita, I want you to adjust yourself in a way that we can see your full face.
Okay. Is it okay
Yeah,
now?
yeah, it's
Yeah.
better. Perfect. So, Anita, I know you are an architect and you
Okay.
have been an introduction leader that I know.
Yeah.
And we have this close connect of Landmark graduates. So, no,
Yeah.
we come from the same community. And I am inspired by what you shared yesterday, the spaces that you're creating. And we'll talk about
Okay.
that more in this conversation. So,
Yes.
please go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us who you
Okay.
are, where you are, your professional life, your personal life, your
Okay.
childhood, your education, and you can even talk about your hobbies and
Got you.
interests.
Super.
Yeah, go ahead.
Um, so for me, where to start? I would say Perumal is. I'm an ardent devotee of Perumal. Okay. So that's how I would like to label myself. So it is all for starts with Perumal for me. And we are three daughters, the eldest, and I'm based out of Chennai for a long time. My parents belong to remote. They are from Coimbatore and Virudhachalam. So Appa is a chemical engineer. Amma is a good homemaker. So three daughters, all professionals. The second one is in the US. The younger one is at Bangalore. And after saying Perumal, I would say I am a proud mother of two beautiful daughters. So my life is around my two daughters. The elder one works for TCS, and the younger one is going to her seventh standard. So a typical Tamilian mom, no, Tamilachi. That's what I would like to call myself. And I have a lot of interest in traveling to temples. So that's been from an early childhood. So I go to a lot of temples. Recently, I've got into a lot of meditation, energy healing, sound healing. So I have a bigger spiritual path with me. If there are going to be a triangle in which I can define myself, would be my spiritual path, architecture, which I would call myself an architect by passion, and mother and cooking. So, cooking, architecture, and spiritual define me totally. And hobbies, as I said, no, I go to temples a lot. Maybe my perspective of temples is totally different. I connect the architecture, the traditional architecture, with the temples that I visit. Um, so, from somewhere, someone will talk about a temple. 2 days I'll be there. I've never questioned that journey, so I enjoy it. So if you are a very close friend of mine, you would know that this time, if you see for an architect, this time is a pub or something. No, for me, it is a good hair wash, that chillness, sitting in a temple. So this is how I would define myself. So that's been my journey. 21 years into the profession, and my strength has always been on designing spaces to the utmost use of it. Even a square millimeter should not be wasted. No, there are a lot of kind of philosophies in architecture. I belong to the function follows form. Okay, for me the function is more important, then the aesthetics comes. So if I'm going to design a space for Anjali, who is she? That space should speak her lifestyle, and it should radiate love and happiness. So as you said, now after getting into the field of energy, I'm looking at designing spaces as happy spaces. So happy spaces meaning you work or you're at home, you have a goal to reach, right? So you go towards it. To enjoy the process, the most time you spend is where you are, right? If Ranjani is going to lift a trophy, for that she is going to work from her home or her office. So the maximum time you spend with spaces only. So I would like to make the process of reaching a goal happier. So that is how I would like to orient myself with people. So I think, have I covered everything? Yes.
Yes, yes, beautifully. And there were so many amazing points that you shared. No, you started with Perumal, if I'm not mistaken, because I am a Malayali and not a
Yeah.
Tamilian. So you are talking about Lord Ganesha, right?
Perumal is Venkatachalapati. Tirupati.
Tirupati Balaji. Okay,
Tirupati Balaji. My husband's name is Balaji.
okay, okay. So then you are talking about, so Pillayar is Ganesh.
Pillayar is Ganesha. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I confused both the words. So Balaji. So I am also a follower of Balaji. I think my
Okay.
first journey of enlightenment was my first trip to Tirupati. Very
Wow.
early in my college days. That's where I really saw a divine light, and I have that connect with Tirupati and Balaji. And
We'll go
I'm a
once together.
yeah, absolutely. And I have once done the this also the foot darshan, no? There you walk and
Okay.
Divya darshan.
Yeah.
So once I completed that, it was an amazing experience. So I have this group of women who are, die-hard fans of Perumal.
Okay. One more.
So
One more.
yeah, one more. So that's one addition to that, and I love that. I'm creating a gang here. So that's one point. And second thing that you said is you're creating spaces. And when we talked about cooking and all of that, so there's a lot of designing, there's a lot
Hmm.
of creation. It goes in your life, and you as a person, you are contributing to a lot of creations, not just architecture, but cooking also is a creation, and that's beautiful. And to know a creator like you. And the third and most important is you, like, integrating in engineering, we'll say, the spiritual energy of a person into the physical space, so it really matches where they are and who they are,
True.
you know so that's an amazing thing to know, like, oh my god, so much of awareness that you're bringing, especially around spaces, not just structures and
True. True.
cements
True.
and wood and uh, in
I'll
terms
just
of
add on. I'll just add on one thing here, which you can connect immediately. Normally, in a kitchen, salt and tamarind have to be kept close to each other. Okay, this is as per, if you're going to call it vastu or our old practices and all that. It has a reason for the energy of the tamarind needs to be neutralized by salt. So if you see in my kitchen, I have them close to each other. So these are small, small tips that our ancestors have left for us. Calling technology and all that, we have gone away, but that traditional touch always pulls you back, we would say, no? So as
yeah.
you said, I could connect when you were connecting the points, no? Yes. Design is something that you connect life on a model wherein, no? Plain happiness. That's what I want to give my clients. You enter your home, you enter your office space, you will have to be happy. You have no other choice. That's where I come from.
Absolutely, and something to no, you have consciously worked on people having that around them, so they are constantly empowered for whatever they
True,
are up to in their life.
true.
So
So
that's an amazing.
as we say in Landmark, no, we set up the space, we clear the space, and we create an intention that you have to be happy. That's
Yes,
what is all about.
that's so beautiful, lovely. I'm so happy that we connected and we are having this conversation today. So tell me,
Super.
Anita, my next question to you would be like, what you think you have the leadership ability, because I personally believe like every human being is a leader, and it's just that we need to acknowledge that ability. And no,
Okay.
most of the times we abandon. We really don't see
Mm,
ourselves, and it's all about making choices, bold choices, and having your voices heard. So when I say a
okay.
leader, someone of that ability, and quality. So tell me from your perspective, like, maybe from the childhood, or uh, well, the the decades that you have worked as an architect and an entrepreneur. So what is the core ability as a leader that you have has given you the success that you have today?
Okay. I would put it this way. It all started as usual with my mom. The person, the iron lady behind all of us is, I've always been inspired by her. If you see, being a class leader was what started in my life. I've been the class leader for many times all through my school. Then I happened to win the Rashtrapati Awardee for guides. So guides was there inside me. I love March Past. I've represented during the Republic Day parades and all that. So school people leader. So all that started from schooling. So that's always there with me. And being the eldest in a Tamilian family, you're supposed to take a lead. So that leadership is taught for us as women and as the eldest of the family. You are taught to lead a team. So it all started from schooling. Uh, Amma was a person who made us learn both studies and also as I said, I love cooking. It comes from her. For your existence, at least you should know cooking. Okay, you're going to study, you're going to become a professional. That doesn't mean that you will not be learning anything at home. Was not the way that we were brought up. So that again is a reason why I love cooking now. So this leadership has been a part of me. Even this interview, it is just an extempore. As I told you, you shoot your questions, I'll answer you. So that kind of getting up for any kind of a challenge, or that has been the way I am. If you see in architecture field, I design and build projects. All of a sudden, if you realize there'll be no women in the site, it is a totally a man-dominated society, right? At site, you don't find women. You can find one or two sittals there. The women helpers, they are the people out there. So there are a lot of challenges, maybe restroom issues we normally as women face at site. No, all that is there, but the passion for the work, drives you forward. It's okay, let's manage it. And I always believe is when you're clear on your destination, as I normally say, if the student is ready, the teacher appears. So if you're clear on what you want, then you get on to your next level of journey. I got to know you through Landmark is when I was ready for to introspect myself. I wanted to look into myself and find out why are you here. That is why I got into Landmark. So and the journey, now sitting in front of you is a person who loves her the most. I am enough is what I feel now. So that is the leadership. Taking ownership of myself is the best leadership, I would say. And I've always been a person who can empower people just like that. That might be something running at the backside of my mind, but I hear or get to know someone is struggling, I'll be there. So those leadership qualities, Landmark has also played a role in my life. So what I always have a thirst that I'll have to give back to the society. Pertaining to my kind of a profession, I always have a dream of making low-cost constructive houses for people. Anyone can afford a home rather, is what is my dream. And I want to bring in more of women into it. Maybe I have a dream of setting up 100 crore organization. So the trust will take care of women learning self-sustainable techniques. No? And I would normally look at cleaning up a place. I want to have a role, taking up a leadership in making Chennai cleaner. I would take this opportunity here. Normally, if you see in olden days, people clean their front of their homes, right? So that small responsibility, if everyone in Chennai takes up, just cleaning their frontage. If you see in if you go to the villages, they clean and put kolam and all that. So they are accountable for their front yard. That kind of system or something. Because I don't believe in going and cleaning only on Sundays. We go as a group, clean for Sundays, then it goes back to the same system. No. So somewhere, really, I need to create a noise wherein Chennai, the Chennai, which is the city which is giving me my bread. No, I want to start with Chennai. So cleaning, I want to take some leadership here in Chennai. And what can I give back to the society in terms of women? No, maybe creating a trust wherein, no, again, same. I want them to be happy. Are they doing? Are we working for our passion? I never believe that on your deathbed you should not be telling, I wanted to do all this, but I didn't do all this. Very sorry. So you will have to take responsibilities of yourself and keep moving. So leadership is a born quality for me. If Ranjani is going to tell me something that Anita, can we join together? I have something. If it, as you know, no, if it touches me and it connects to me, I'm there.
Absolutely. You said a lot of things beautifully, Anita. One thing that is I can clearly see is like you're someone who follows your heart, and
Yeah.
you are someone who advocate that everyone should follow their heart. It is challenging to sometimes go against the conditioning that we are like as a women we have so many conditions around, but following your heart and for even searching for a spiritual path and really looking at what really means and fulfills you completely. Beautiful. And leadership is about that. And another thing that you said is loving yourself.
Yeah.
There's no other power as big as self-worth. And I think this is a reminder for every woman who like no you and me who are bold enough to come on social media and share their stories, and all other women who come, they take up responsibility, own up their own up for their families. So it's all about loving yourself. The more you
True.
love, the more power you have, and this is something I want to know. I want to educate women to know that the power is inside you. It's not outside. You have to own that up, and things will be magical. Absolutely. So lovely. No, each question is taking things to a next level. So that's so beautiful. So tell me, Anita, and the third thing I noticed, like you are a contributor, a server, since childhood, because you talked about guides, and I
Yeah.
know these NCCN guides, and this is all about serving, being of
Yeah.
service. That's one. And you talking about cleaning Chennai and taking that small ownership, like each one cleans their own space, will add to the beauty of the city. And that's there in you. A servant leader is there in you. Beautiful. So tell me, Anita, what are you up to for 2021? Having shared your professional goals, having shared your vision for Chennai, and even creating 100 crore company, and you have so much on your plate. Tell me more. What's up? What's your big vision and mission? What's the long
Okay.
game? Tell me about that.
Okay. The 100 crore or whatever I'm talking about needs a team to push it forward. Right. So, what I feel, I belong to the 94, 99 batch. Right. I see a vast difference in the people who graduate and come out now. Right. So, I just want to take up something on making them, what do I say, the curriculum and the industry. How do you bridge it? They are not aware of it. They are great designers, but they are not able to present it to the client. Something no is stopping. And if you see, we were all brought up in a very different situation. The people now, no, the graduates who are coming out, the children rather, we as parents own the responsibility. We find a lot of maturity, unwanted maturity in them. No, they can be still more children. They can enjoy life and keep moving forward. So I would like to have some workshops, as we discussed earlier. I would like to have some workshops just to listen what these people are up to, what this younger generation is up to, where do they stand, what is the kind of help do they need from us. Creating a space for them wherein the profession also needs to be enjoyed. Working late hours, everything is fine, but are they really happy? Are we creating the next generation to be happy? So I'm planning on workshops mainly for architecture students, wherein if I'm going to talk about their marks, grades, everything is Even I have found, what do I say, gold medalist working with me, but the small sense, no, the common sense misses there. So somewhere we need to tune them. Now, if I'm going to tell you to take a story, but no, I'm really surprised. So these kind of smaller things, no, needs to be brought to the younger generation. So what is going to be my role on that? First thing is, the younger generation is not listened. From as Landmark, no, you need to provide listening to these children, find out, because everyone is a unique design. Like I normally connect my life to design. Every individual is a unique design. Ranjani would like something, I would like something else. We cannot be the same. All five fingers are not the same. So how I'm going to set up a team wherein in the process of setting my own team, this team will be a benchmark in showing the world that you can enjoy a profession, you can be happy, you can be a holistic successful person. If I'm a good mother and I'm not a good boss, I'm not successful. So you need to balance all works of life. So my role would be to set up my own team and set an example for the others. No, you can be happy and work. You can take off on Saturdays. If you're going to stretch yourself on a Saturday, it doesn't mean you're perfect. As Abdul Kalam says, if someone sits after 7 o'clock at office, somewhere something is wrong. No, you have not done your time management properly. So I want to create a holistic, successful team for me. I would not call my employees. I want to create leaders. I don't want followers. I want to create a team wherein this 100 crore journey will be enjoyed by the person and also their family. The family should not be cribbing saying that, no, he has gone to office, he's not taken care of the family. No. So happy spaces we create with happy people around is what I'm taking up for 2021.
And that's so beautiful because you're really bringing that technology of happiness to not just your work, but inside the being also. The person itself is a
Yes.
walking, talking, and the energy itself. You walk into your house, you're actually radiating happiness. You walk into
Yes.
your office, you're actually radiating fun and joy with your team. It's so amazing to do new designs and create amazing, happy spaces, as you say. This is
Yes.
so beautiful. I think if people join you this mission, I think no world will definitely be a better place. Very
Yes,
happy
Ranjini.
spaces.
Yeah.
So
Very
beautiful.
much true.
I loved it. I loved it the way you are, expanding who you are. There is
Yes.
a lot of power when I say who you are, because that's the energy, that's the spirit inside you. You're spreading and you're creating leaders and who are actually it's like kind of a ripple effect. It keeps growing, expanding, and beautiful. So tell me, Anita, how people listening can connect with you. What are the best ways to reach you? You can share your social media handles. You
Yeah.
can even share your number if you want, or the email address, or where you are available. Are you available on WhatsApp or Messenger? How
Yeah,
can
I
we
am.
connect?
Yeah, I have shared you my mobile number that can be shared, and I'm on LinkedIn. I'm more active on LinkedIn and WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere we are there. So that's how you can connect to me. I'm just a call away. That's it. Happy to connect to anyone who's looking to make their space happy.
That's beautiful. And tell me your LinkedIn, your company name. I think it's Studio Orange
Yes,
that you.
yes,
Yeah. So
yes,
you are pretty active on LinkedIn as
yes.
Studio Orange, and you can
Yeah,
find her there. And yes, easy to connect on WhatsApp, and very much available to spread radiate happiness
radiate
inside
happiness.
out. Yes, inside out. Beautiful. So, tell me about the message that you want to leave to the people, because we talked in length from spirituality to design to empowerment, and even create a very big vision and for the world. What is the message that you want to leave for the people who are listening to you now?
Um, I picked this up from Landmark. Okay, anything you do should empower you. Okay, so do something from your heart. If something empowers you, keep doing. Yes, if people are going to speak about you, then it means that you're doing something. So keep moving. Listen to your heart, right? Listen to your heart. Yes, it would be a tough journey for when you take a route that is not traveled by everyone. No, you will have to set the road. It's okay, as long as you are happy about it. When you go to hit the bed in the night, you must be able to close your eyes and do justice to yourself first. Okay. And 2 words: be happy. Just for the sake of being happy, whatever you feel like doing, keep moving. Challenges are there. And one more thing is what I have learned, Ranjani, I would like to share is, earlier my perspective towards life was, come on, give me challenge, I'm ready. But now, no, I have changed my perspective. Very sorry, I want to be happy. I'm letting go of things which is not going to keep me happy. Very sorry, no more challenges. So what you are ready for is what comes in life. Even this interview, if you would say, this is I've been asked for many people to go on a live. Like, this is my first live on Facebook. No, it was something wherein, no, I got connected to you. I said, no, I'm doing this, and I'm not preparing anything for this live. Was the first decision I took. I wanted to speak out from inside. Let me see. That's why I asked you. I want to go through the recording and see how have I evolved. So there is evolvement in every stage of life. Maybe Landmark makes it very easier. Now life is happening now, and be happy. It can be against the world, it can be against anything, but as long as you are happy, kindly do it. As women, no, first
Very
take care of
beautiful.
yourself.
Yeah, very beautiful and very powerful message. And as you said, no, I really teach this to my children, like how you can protect yourself and love yourself. No matter what the hell is going around you, love yourself first. Now, I have been training my children, and I took, no, maybe I'm 40 plus now. It took me so long to even realize this, that you have to put yourself first. And
Yes.
following your heart is not a great idea, but it's worth.
What?
Yeah, so it's worth it. And no, for a long time, even I used to feel guilty, like, no, oh my God. But then it's worth it, worth the challenges, worth the struggle. Thank you so much, dear, and sharing
Thank
this goal.
you.
Take care. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Keep in touch. Thank you.
Yes.